Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. This time, we're going to go over to radaronline.com, and this is a continuation of the Udoka affair. And this says suspended Celtics coach Ime Udoka's affair discovered through a home doorbell camera. There's also other details coming from out of Nia Long's camp, but let's get into the article first, shall we? The article writer is Alexandra Stone, and it says, Udoka and his mistress were allegedly caught in their affair by nothing more than the average home security feature. Multiple sources confirm hashtag Celtics female staffer affair with slash Celtics coach hashtag Udoka was uncovered by a husband when he overheard a private conversation on a home doorbell camera. Wow. Sports reporter Kevin Frazier wrote via Twitter on Saturday, September the 24th, the Celtics coach was suspended for a year from the high-profile job after breaking several NBA rules by cheating on his current partner Nia Long with a woman on the team's staff. Yes, yes, yes. All right. The article goes on to say Long, who had recently moved to Boston to go on a house hunting search for their family, was reportedly blindsided by the affair and had no idea until recently that Udoka had been unfaithful. The outpouring of love and support from the family, friends, and the community during this difficult time means so much to me, she wrote on social media after the news broke. I ask that my privacy be respected as I process the recent events. All above, I am a mother and will continue to focus on my children. Okay? The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air actress shared Masika Dorsey's 21-year-old with ex Masia Dorsey and Zed Sunday, age 10, with Udoka. All right, Udoka's relationship with his fiancee isn't the only thing at stake. It's also respect out of current and former NBA players. As Radar has previously reported, retired basketball star Matt Barnes walked back his statements defending the suspended coach. I played in the league for a long time, Barnes initially said in defense of the embattled coach. Anyone in the league can tell you this is a very common situation. Okay? However, Barnes deleted the social media tweet after receiving new information from an unnamed person with inside information on the situation. Without knowing all the facts, I spoke on Udoka's defense, and after finding out the facts, after I spoke, I erased what I posted because the situation in Boston is deep, it's messy, and it's 100 times uglier than any of us thought, he shared on an Instagram video. Some things happen that I can't condone, I can't back, and it's not my place to tell you what happened, he continued. If it ends up coming out, it ends up coming out. But that was the reason why I erased my post last night, because after I posted it, I got a call from someone who had all the details, and ish is deep. Okay? Um, Initially, besides that, it also came out from Nia Long's camp that a starter for the team had also told of Udoka's affair as well. So you have reports from that. You have reports coming out from different people They're definitely speaking out about this, and I'm just like, yo, don't crap where you sleep. Okay, don't go and muck up your house. You know what I'm saying? Just because you want to chase a skirt. A skirt that allegedly is one of the higher ups in the Boston Celtics team. Um, yeah, like poor choices. But it is what it is. I will keep you guys updated as always on this story and any other story that I come across. Please join me in the comment section where we can gather our thoughts and talk about this in any other video that I do on my channel. And with that, I want to say thank you, and I will get with you in the next video.